Hi, I'm Kell from Promenaid, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to trim a Promenaid handrail to length using a standard miter saw. So when you order a Promenaid handrail, you can get a variety of stock sizes, or you can have it custom trimmed in our factory. But if you need to cut it to length in your own location, maybe for difficult installation around a winding stair, then you can do that with a standard miter saw. We don't recommend a hacksaw or a bandsaw. A standard miter saw, which can be set to a 90-degree angle, is the ideal saw to cut Promenaid handrail, and you don't need a special blade. You can use the utility blade that came with the saw, or any blade, even one for wood, as long as it has carbide teeth. It's going to do a nice job on the aluminum handrail. So let's try it out. Most important thing, wear safety glasses, and don't go too fast. Grip the railing firmly. And there you have it. Perfect cut, no deburring required. All the Promenaid fittings will snap into place. You're good to go. Thanks for tuning in.